Hey guys, it's Rosie and you're watching Rosie's Teal Treatz. Today marks the 3-year anniversary of this channel. I can't believe it's been so long already, but I'm going to be making a spin-off of one of my first recipes, which was homemade peppermint patties. I'm going to be changing the semi-sweet chocolate into white chocolate because of some medical issues I've been having lately. I can't eat dark chocolate. I will be changing it. Be sure to check out Gluten Free Podcast to hear more about my new diet. And yeah, let's go get started.
To laugh until I can't breathe. Midnight moonlight dancing, never get enough sleep. Oh, the whole night through. And we could count the distant tumbling stars from the roof of our cars, letting go of our hearts. Close your eyes, pretend that it's your first kiss. Darling, can you feel it? Oh, so ignorant bliss. Oh, the whole night through. 'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have wild and free, baby, we could dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up. Baby, could we misbehave a bit more? Never know what's in store when we're rowdy and bored. Honey, can we catch some floating fireflies? Let 'em light our way tonight through the neverland skies. Oh, the whole night through. 'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby, we could dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up. No, we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe it has been 3 years already. I'm super thankful to those of you who have been supporting me all through this time or whenever you started watching. Thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe. For more great recipes, visit my website, tealtreatz.com. The link is in the description.